Hi guys, so today we are bringing the heat with a fusion of flavors, creamy Cajun Chicken Curry. This unique dish blends with the bold of spices of Cajun cuisine with the rich warmth of Indian curry. Tender chicken is cooked in a flavorful sauce infused with Cajun spices like paprika, cayenne pepper and a hint of garlic. Get ready for a flavor explosion. This recipe is a perfect balance of spicy, creamy, savory and aromatic. Whether you are a fan of Cajun or Indian food or simply love trying new things, you won't want to miss this. So grab your ingredients, get ready to spice things up and let's cook up this dish together. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and families. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams chicken, boneless and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, and fry the marinated chicken. Fry it until it is nice and golden brown. When ready, then simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1 tablespoon butter, 3 garlic cloves chopped and fry the garlic for few seconds. Make sure you do not brown the garlic. Then add 1 onion chopped and fry the onion until it is nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoon Cajun seasoning, half tablespoon red chili flakes, half tablespoon paprika powder, 2 teaspoon Italian seasoning. Then fry the spices for about 2 minutes. Then add 1.5 cup water, add 1 stock cube, add some salt to taste, half cup double cream, 3 processed cheese triangles, you can also add Parmesan cheese. Then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add the fried chicken. Add half tablespoon lemon juice. Add handful of spring onion chopped. And then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give it a nice mix. And boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering creamy Cajun chicken curry that's sure to impress your friends and family. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for creamy Cajun chicken curry as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a real flavor explosion and a perfect blend of Cajun spice and Indian warmth. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.